Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to NeuroNexAI. So today in this tutorial, I will teach you that how you can train the traffic light, okay, or created by the help of some amazing site which is called okwai.com. So this is actually for those students who are recently studying machine learning or computer engineering and working on the embedded system areas. Okay, so this project will be really helpful for those students, and I will show you that how you can connect a circuit with lights, resistors. We will also have to use a bit of physics, okay, electrical physics, and then we will write a bunch of a code in Python language to run the traffic signal. Okay, so let's begin. Before that, you have to search for the okwai.com. This is actually website okwai wokwi.com. So I will put the link of this website in the video description below here. This is actually the world's largest site which is used by machine engineers around the world, and used by more than 230 universities and research areas to help from this and train the models, okay, and also create calculators. So before working on the embedded system areas, you should have to use this site. This is really helpful, okay, or working on machine learning. To create a traffic light, you will have to search for the wokwi.com. This is the website I will show you. So you will see this type of interface. I have already created my account. Be sure to create your account on the site and then go ahead. Okay, so just scroll down and look for the Python. Actually, this is use Arduino. This is the library IDE which is used for the C++. Here, if you want to train some models, so you have to write a code in C++ language. Okay, and this is ESP32. This is another one chip, okay, and circuit. If you want to design this circuit and connect some create a calculator, train a model, okay, create a chatbot, etc., so you can help from this, and you can write a code in I think a lot of options or languages available for this chip. But you can't do Arduino. This is actually for C++ language, okay, and this is STM32. This is also the circuit. If you want to train this, you can. And Pi Pico, this is actually the circuit for Python language. If you want to write or make a project in Python, so you have to use this one chip. Just scroll down, and if you want to work in Visual Studio and connect this site with your IDE Visual Studio, so you can, otherwise leave it. And this is OQA for CI. This is for advanced projects. Just scroll down, and here you will see start your project using popular languages. So just click as you know, as I told you before, the universities and organization using Okwai classroom. So 240 plus universities and among across 76 countries. This is the logos of the university. Even Harvard University also use this one site. Okay, if you want to check it, so you can. Just scroll up and click on Micro Python. Here is what all projects and circuit will be trained by using Python language. Just click here, new project, and then select MicroPython is a Raspberry Pi Pico. Okay, so here is actually the circuit. You will see this one is the circuit. We should have to connect the circuit is already designed. Okay, you should have to connect the lights and resistor, and also we will also use some jumper wires. Okay, so let's begin our project. And here in this area, after connecting the light correctly and other steps, you have to we have to write a code in Python language. Okay, let me remove this code. We have to write a code in Python language, so then it will be working like a traffic signal. Okay, so I will guide you that this one is Pico GP0. It's up to 15. Okay, this is the circuit values. We have to use a bit of physics for adding a light. So you have to click on the add icon here. Okay, and click on the lid. If you don't see the lids, just search lid and also pick up the next one. We have to use select 3 lids, okay, and then paste in the correct area like here. Okay, this one should be here. Okay, let's scroll it, and this one and this one should be in this one area. So now we have to change the color of the traffic signals, as may you people saw somewhere else, like traffic signal, the first one is red, the second one is yellow, okay, if I'm right, so, and the third one is green, right? Now to protect the light from burning, we have to use the resistor, because resistor is actually used to control the current, okay, and it's working on the opposition of current, may you learn in electrical physics, okay. So for that we have to use the resistor, we have to use the resistor to the light and then to the circuit to protect the light from burning. Sometimes the electricity power is too much high, so it will damage your light, and the light will blow up. So for that we have to use the resistor to protect the light from burning, okay. So just click on the plus icon button above, and here is the resistor. If you can't see this, so just search for the resistor, resistor, and then we will have to pick up 3 resistors at a time, because we have 3 lights, and then just put the resistor below the light in the correct area, okay. We will change the value of the resistors as well, because there's in kilo ohm, so we have to change it. Okay, so for changing the value of the resistor, we should have to convert the unit ohm, this is the unit count, to to ohm. Ohm is law, okay, because this is not a physics, so I have to leave it, and just convert the value. Every value from 250 to 460 is fine. We have to give it a value about 330, right? This is actually the value for this one resistor. It will control the current up to 330 voltage, okay, and manage it and protect the light from burning or blowing. So just convert also the value to 330, okay, be quickly. And this one is convert the value to 330. Now we should have to connect the wires, okay, to the resistor and the resistor into the circuit. For that, I will understand you a bit that please connect the long link, okay, to the this is lead 1 ratio capital A. Just connect this one, okay. Just connect this one to the R1 ratio 1 resistor. So we have successfully connected this one, okay. Now just connect this one light to, okay, yeah, just connect this one light up to here is gen dot 1 pico ratio gen dot 1, okay. I don't have to understand about this, because I'm not teaching you electrical physics. You just have to connect this correctly, okay. The short one leg should be connected to the pico ratio G and D dot 1, and the long one leg should be connected to the R1 ratio 1, the first one leg of the resistor. Just press, okay, and now we have to connect. Now we should have to connect this one resistor to the circuit as well. For that, just scroll down and connect the wire to the pico GP15. Okay, so we have successfully connected the red one light to the resistor, the long leg with the R1 ratio 1, and then the short leg with the GP2, okay. And then we have we should have to connect the long one with the GP. Okay, that's all right. Yeah, so this is the GP1. We should have to connect this one with GP1, right? The GP1 would be fine. You can also connect that with GP2, but this one is recommended, okay, to do it in a series form. So now same like this, just connect the long leg of the yellow light with the resistor R2 ratio 1, and as well as the short leg with the GP2, right? Just scroll up, and here is the GP2. Alright, yeah, that's right. And the next one is about we should have to connect the red light with the gen. That's not the GP, because gen is actually used to connect the red light. and as well as this one, so just cancel it. And this one, the short leg, we will connect with the gender 2. Okay, that was about yeah, disconnect here, gender 2, right? This is a bit confusable, but don't worry. And in this one area, just connect this one register with the GP14. Okay, GP14. So we have successfully connected the yellow one as well. Now same is a green one, just connect the letter, okay, with the R3:1, and then the short leg with the gent. Right here is about gen 3, yeah, gen 3, and then the resistor with the GP13. No, yeah, GP13. So we have successfully connected the light with this circuit. Okay, so apologize for any confusion. The first at the beginning I connected the short leg with the GP2, but this is not the correct. You should have to connect with the what, just wait a second. Okay, we should have to connect this with the gen 1. Okay, this is here gen 1, and this is gen 2. Okay, the short leg with gen, and this is gen 3, right? So now we have to write a code in Python language to run the light and work as a traffic signal. For that, just write from machine import what, pin. Actually, this is just a simple English. For example, if we say from big import mathematics book, from big import computer science book, so from machine import fin. Now it will automate. This is the Python library used to import the fin and work like electricity. So now we also have to import the time as well, that for how much time the red light will be on, and for how much time the yellow, and as well as green. So for that we have to import the time. Okay, now we will add a comments because it will help us to understand about the code and about the section. Show lids values. Okay, show lids, that's fine. Now write red assign fin. Okay, then parentheses, and parentheses the value of resistor of the red light resistor we connected is I think 15. Yeah, exactly. So the value is 15. You have to mention 15 and then write a pin. Okay, fin dot out, right? Then yellow. Okay, yellow as same is a yellow one, just write a pin. Okay, and then I think we connected the yellow one resistor with the value of this is 14 exactly. So be careful about this. Okay, if you didn't careful, then the circuit will be going to burn. Okay, so the next one is green, right? And green same like fin parentheses. The value of green is, yeah, definitely 15. I have remembered, but if you should have to check by yourself. Okay, and now in this one area we should have to declare a condition which is while true if it's working, so we can declare a condition. Okay, in Python, if that's while true, then add a comment red on. For example, if you wanted to the red bulb will be on and the other two will be off. So for that we write a code red dot on, sorry I just mentioned a comma, and red dot on and then function. So the other two should be off, so for that we use yellow dot off and then declare a function. Okay, and the green should be off as well, dot off, declare a function, right? So for how much time the other two, for how much time the red bulb would be on and the other would be off. So we can declare time.sleep. For example, if I wanted to let the other two off for 3 seconds, yeah, so the red bulb will be on for 3 seconds definitely, and vice versa. Hope you understand it. Good luck. So yellow, okay, yellow on, right? So if the yellow is on, the other two should be off because if we're not working together. Okay, so the next one is yellow dot on. Okay, and radical function, and the green should be off. Hope you understand. And then time dot sleep. Okay, so for how much time the yellow will be on? For example, I think I'm not sure that much, but the red is on for some long time, and then the yellow is for a bit short time, and the green is also for a long time. So here we have to declare 1 second. Okay, because this is the rule regulation for every traffic signal. Yeah, and the green one, green on. Okay, here just declare the red will be off, the yellow will also be off. Okay, the yellow is gonna be off, then the green one should be on, right? Time not sleep. Okay, so for how much time the green bulb should be on? For example, 3 seconds as well, because they have the same value, red and green. Yeah, so now this is a bunch of a code in Python language. We wrote it to just to run the traffic signal, that how it's working. So let's run it. All right, to run it, so you should have to click on the start the simulation button above. Okay, trace bar most performance 595 pin menu. Okay, pin, I think we have some error. We have to correct it. Where is the error? Let me try it. Yeah, here is the error because I wrote T in small. It should be in capital. Let's try it again. Oh, congratulations! It's working. As you can see, we have successfully created a traffic signal system. As you can see, but you didn't think anytime that how it's working. So this is the background, and this is the backend that how the traffic signal is working in Europe, Islamabad city, Pakistan, not in Madan or Peshawar, and some areas in Peshawar, but I'm not certain. But in Madan, no, that's impossible. And Islamabad, yeah, they have already traffic signals and traffic system over there. Okay, and Europe. Okay, so have you ever understand and have you ever think that how it's working? So this is actually the backend. The people just bring the circuit. Okay, buy it if you wanted to order the circuit. Okay, this one circuit and this one light with jumper wires. Okay, then you can connect it together, and it has some cable, external cable. You have to buy that cable for this system as well, and it will working like a traffic signal. And then here you can copy this code. Okay, and paste in this area. If you wanted to increase the time that for example the red light should be on for 1 minute, okay, for 2 minutes, okay, so you can also change the value here. This is actually in seconds, okay, not in minutes. So hope you understand and like the video. This was just a short video that how you can create a traffic signal system. This is called embedded system, and actually Internet of Things as well. I think it's a subject in computer engineering and as well as machine learning. I will get some videos on it, how you can train robots to playing football games or something else. Okay, so yeah, this was just short video and short tutorial. I taught to you about that how you can create it. So hope you like the video and will subscribe our channel. Good luck.